So we're gonna do our foundation first. But basically I've got nothing on my face right now, so this is probably not the right way to do it, but whatever. So I'm putting like concealer under my eyes and around this part.
Just like we used to do.
And my skin is gonna look incredible. Incredible. Let me let my cat in.
You do fight well.
Ah, that went in my eyeball. Ow, ow, ow. Welcome to the stream, everyone. You're gonna see me applying makeup to my face, do the hair, do the lashes, do the earrings, and completely transform myself. I don't think I've ever done anything like this before on stream, so this is probably my first and last time doing this. Right now I'm using Lush products, and this is foundation, which is definitely too light for my skin. But I don't know why I got it. So I'm not really good with like the different types of brushes, but I've actually got quite a few here. So I think this is probably not a foundation brush, but yeah, so just seeing how it goes. I'm like, hi, how are you? Ah. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to ABG transformation stream. Now I look sick. I look ill, everyone. This is. I look. Okay, look, it's fine because I'm gonna transform, so whatever. Let's do some tattoos. I think we're ready for tattoos. Wait, wrong way, wrong way. Okay, so how do we put this on? Right. The glue stings, man. Quick, 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 quick. Now I have to hold it still. Yay! we've got, okay? Okay, right. Are we ready? Ooh, yeah! Oh no! I was like, oh yeah!
Yeah! Flip, I put some on my face.
Look, watch what. Look how sexy I look in this. Are you ready? So I just felt like doing that. Just,
It feels really nice.
it feels because it's like hair moving around.
I was like, ooh, this feels kind of weird, but it's nice.
Do not follow me. This is probably not the right way to wear a wig.
Yay, nails are done.
Okay, this is me, like literally today, a few hours ago. And then me now, obviously you can see me now, but also another pic that I took, a selfie, is this one. Do do do.
Hey,
Hey.